Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. And somebody asked me a question about, they'd watched a video where I'd used the Twirl tool, and what they're doing with the Twirl tool is they're going to the center of their star, clicking on it so they grab the star. But they're saying that their star is not equal. You know, like this one's thinner, this one's thicker. And it's because you're not going to the center of the star. You're going to what Corel tells you is the center of the star, which is not the center of the star. It's somehow it's weighted by the handles, these handles down here. So what you have to do, you hit P and put it in the center page. It's not in the center of the page. So we're going to bring in some indexing lines and hit P, indexing lines and hit P, and you can see that the indexing lines are in the center, but not the star itself. You can kind of see it. So what you need to do in this particular case, and I've done several videos on this, is make this a 6-sided star, and then hit P, and then move it back to a 5-sided star. Now let's take the Twirl tool and put it on our crosshairs. And now, depending on how close you got, you ought to be equal. And you could probably test that. We're not 100% because this has sharper of a point. And there's a lot of things you could do with this when you're playing with the Twirl tool to make shapes. Let's Control D and make a duplicate and then mirror it and then weld it. I mean, look at that shape. You know, how long would that take you to draw that? I'm not saying you'd ever use that, but if you just wanted something, you know, whatever for a logo, that'd be pretty cool. Anyway, I hope that answered his question, and thank you for watching.